Whether your drive is long or short, music makes every ride enjoyable. Welcome to the Maruti Suzuki Smartplay Studio tutorial series. And today, we'll tell you all about music selection. From the home screen, tap the Media button. Here you will see a list of available media sources. Smartplay Studio can play media from radio, USB, iPod, Bluetooth and aux. Select a media source and play the song you like. This is the media home screen that displays track information. Tap the star icon to set the track as favorite. To view all favorite tracks, tap here. You can browse tracks easily via artist, genre, playlist and more. The Smartplay Studio also supports video and photos from the USB. Please refer to the manual for the complete list of supported formats. With Smartplay Studio, you can access FM, AM and DRM bands. Tune the channels by tapping the directional buttons. Tap the automatic button to automatically sync and store channels. You can save up to 18 FM and 12 AM channels. Access these presets by scrolling through the lower band and long press any preset box to manually save the current playing channel. You can also tap the list here to see all available channels based on your current location. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and drive safe.